Your first meeting with a lawyer is an important step in dealing with your legal dispute. In addition to giving you a chance to meet each other, you can also learn a lot about your legal dispute and what your legal options are. It can also help you determine if you will represent yourself, if you will retain a lawyer to represent you, or if you and a lawyer will work as a team on the case. In your first meeting, you'll be learning more about your case, but you should also remember that it's kind of like a job interview where you are deciding if this lawyer meets your needs.
What happens in that first meeting with the lawyer?
Your lawyer will want to know who you are, a bit of personal information such as your job, your personal situation, like are you married, do you have children, contact information. Most importantly, your lawyer will ask about the reason that you've decided to consult with him or her. It is very important to tell your lawyer everything that is related to your dispute, not just the information that supports your side of the story. It is sometimes difficult to know what is relevant and what is not, but your lawyer will help you sort this out. In order to give you good legal advice, your lawyer must know all the facts. Your lawyer will ask you a series of questions. Remember to stay focused on the legal issues that concern you. A lawyer is an expert on solving legal problems, not personal problems. So give clear answers with specific information about the case. It's important the lawyer has a good understanding of all the facts.
Should I bring anything?
Yes, there are things you should bring to your first meeting with a lawyer. First, you must bring documents related to your case. Your lawyer will want to learn about all the details that you think are important to your case, such as contracts, letters, court documents, receipts, invoices, and agreements like a separation agreement. Provide the lawyer with the names and contact information of witnesses who can support your case. Second, you should bring a written summary of what happened in your dispute. You should prepare this before you meet with the lawyer. Your summary should note the dates that events happened and other relevant information. It will help your lawyer to accurately evaluate your case at an early stage.
Is there a certain amount of time I have to start my legal case?
A limitation period may apply to your case, so your lawyer may need to take certain steps right away to protect your legal rights. For example, you generally have 2 years after a car accident to start a claim against the other driver, so it is important to tell the lawyer exactly when certain events happened. You can use a worksheet to prepare for your meeting so that you will get the most out of it. You can print a helpful worksheet out at www.justiceeducation.ca titled Worksheet Number 1, Meeting with a Lawyer.
If I don't know anything about the law, how do I know what questions to ask?
It is a good idea to write down the questions you want to ask your lawyer. You can use the worksheet I just mentioned to do this. First, you will want to know if you have a legal problem. Not all disputes can be resolved by taking legal action. If you have a legal problem, you will want to know about the strengths and weaknesses of your case and what the likely outcome will be, whether you have a legal complaint against someone or they have one against you. You'll want to know about the legal risks you are facing. Find out what evidence you will need to support your case. You may need to start collecting more documents or find other witnesses. Ask what options there are for resolving your legal dispute. Some disputes are resolved after the exchange of a few letters between your lawyer and the other party. Your lawyer might be able to estimate how long it will take to resolve your problem. You will also want to talk about legal fees and the cost of taking certain legal steps, such as litigation. You should also ask about other ways to resolve your dispute without going to court, like negotiation, mediation, or arbitration. In some cases, it is far more cost-effective to settle the dispute immediately by paying money or negotiating a settlement. Be sure you understand what the lawyer tells you. If he or she uses a legal term that you do not understand, ask what it means. If you do not understand the lawyer's advice, you should ask to hear it again. It is always helpful to write down the lawyer's answers to your questions.
What will the lawyer want me to do?
Your lawyer wants to do a good job for you. To do this, he or she needs you to be honest and open about the information in your case and provide all the information that you can. You will only cause unnecessary delays if you are not responding to your lawyer's requests for information. When your lawyer asks you to make a decision, provide clear instructions about how to proceed. If you want to think about it, tell the lawyer when you will get back to him or her. Good communication is critical to this relationship, so be responsive to the lawyer's request for accurate details and information. Most importantly, your lawyer wants to develop a respectful, professional relationship with you. Remember that even after you hire a lawyer, you must still be involved in your case. Your lawyer will ask you to make decisions at different stages as the case progresses. You and your lawyer are working as a team.